Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the ROBOROCK Q5 Pro versus the Q8 Max versus the Q7 Max Plus. So as you can see right here, we have it here on the three of them on their websites. So if you don't know what these three are, the Q5 Pro is a mid-range robot vacuum mop combo with strong 55,000 PA suction, 770 ml dustbin, lighter navigation, and up to 4-hour runtime. While the Q8 Max, on the other hand, has a premium vacuum and mop with also 5,500 PA suction, dual roller brush, lighter with obstacle avoidance, large dustbin which is also 770 ml, removable mop, and also has 4-hour runtime. And lastly, the Q7 Max is a balanced vacuum mop hybrid featuring 4,200 PA suction, LiDAR, navigation with 3D mapping, combo, dustbin, water tank, which is 470 ml plus 300 ml for the water tank, and only up to 3 hours runtime. Now let's go over the pros and cons of each one. So the pros of the Q5 Pro is that it has 5,500 PA suction and dual rubber rollers, huge head of 770 ml bin, ideal for pets, long for runtime, and LiDAR mapping and strong app control. Now the cons of it is that it has no obstacle avoidance, mop is detachable, not integrated, and it also has a taller profile which is around 96 mm. And the Q8 Max series, on the other hand, is the pros of it is that it has the same powerful suction with the Q5 of 5,500 PA with dual rollers also, and the obstacle avoidance plus lighter navigation, big 770 ml dustbin, and strong real-world cleaning up to 98% debris removal. Now, the cons of it is that it has no 5 GHz Wi-Fi, only 2.4G, and larger size may struggle under low furniture. So let's lastly go over the pros and cons of the Q7 Max. So the pros of it is that it has adequate suction up to 4,200 PA, combo dustbin water tank simplifies the maintenance, supports auto empty dock, and a 30-level electronic mop. Now the cons of it is that it has a lower suction than the Q5 and 8, smaller tank, and has no obstacle avoidance. So which one is right for you? So choose the Q5 Pro for it is best for pet owners needing max suction, huge bin on a budget, and the Q8 Max is a top performer with obstacle avoidance and excellent cleaning, ideal if space and price allow it. And the Q7 Max is a great mid-tier hybrid with mop support and compact design for less demanding needs. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.